In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Chrome extensions on phone. To begin, it's important to understand one key limitation. Google Chrome on Android does not natively support extensions the same way the desktop version of Chrome does. So if you've ever tried to install a Chrome extension directly in the regular Chrome app on your phone, you probably noticed that the option just isn't there. That's completely normal, and it's the reason we need to use a different browser that supports Chrome extensions on mobile. The browser we'll use is called Kiwi Browser. Go to the Google Play Store, download Kiwi Browser, and then open it once the installation is complete. Kiwi is based on Chromium, so it feels very similar to Chrome, which makes the transition easy if you already use Chrome on your computer or phone. Once Kiwi Browser is open, look in the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu. This will open the main browser menu. From there, select Extensions. This is where you'll manage any browser extensions you want to install and use on your phone. After that, tap the option that says Plus from Store, or simply go directly to the Chrome Web Store. This is the same store where Chrome extensions are normally found on desktop, but Kiwi allows you to access and install many of them on Android. If a page looks a little different on mobile, that's okay. You may need to give it a moment to load fully. Now search for the extension you want to install. Use the search bar in the Chrome Web Store and type the name of the extension you need. If you're not sure which one to choose, make sure you pay attention to the extension name and its overall page so you know you're installing the correct one. Some extensions may work better than others on mobile, since not every desktop extension is fully optimized for phones. When you find the extension you want, tap Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to install it. Tap OK to confirm. The browser will then download and install the extension for you. And that's it. You now know how to get Chrome extensions on your phone using Kiwi Browser. If an extension doesn't behave exactly as expected, try reopening the browser or checking the extensions section again to make sure it was installed properly. This is a simple workaround that gives you a more desktop-like browsing experience on Android, especially if you rely on certain tools or add-ons, or